For the besan sandwich, add 1 cup besan, salt, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, quarter teaspoon asafoetida, quarter teaspoon carom seeds or ajwain, and half cup water. Whisk it all together without any lumps. Then add 2 tablespoons onion and tomatoes, green chili chopped, and coriander leaves. Mix it all together. Add water if needed. Now the mix is ready. We are going to dip a bread slice in the mix and toast it in a pan. Add little onion and tomatoes on top. You can use ghee or oil for toasting. Flip it on both sides to cook. Now the besan sandwich is ready. For the cheese sandwich, add half cup grated cheese, quarter teaspoon pepper, quarter teaspoon chili flakes, salt, and 2 teaspoon oregano. Mix it all together. Spread it on bread for toasting. Toast it on both sides till the cheese melts. For the curd sandwich, add quarter cup hung curd or thick curd, 1 tablespoon onion and capsicum, 1 green chili chopped, coriander leaves, quarter teaspoon pepper and salt. Mix it and add little water if needed. Spread the mix on a bread slice. Toast it in a pan with ghee or oil. Flip it on both sides till it turns crispy. Now the tasty curd sandwich is ready. For the suji sandwich, add quarter cup suji, quarter cup curd and salt. Whisk it all together without any lumps. You can add water if needed. Then add 2 tablespoon onion, tomatoes and capsicum, 1 green chili chopped, few coriander leaves and quarter teaspoon pepper. Mix it all together and allow it to rest for 5 minutes. It is very thick, so I am adding little water to make it easy for spreading. Next, spread the mix on a bread slice and toast it in a pan with ghee or oil. Let it turn crispy on both sides. Now the suji sandwich is ready. For the veg cheese sandwich, mix 2 tablespoon onion, 2 tablespoon tomato, 2 tablespoon capsicum, salt, quarter teaspoon red chili flakes and 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup. Mix it all together. Finally, add in 3 tablespoons of grated cheese. Mix it together. Now the veg cheese mix is ready. Take 2 bread slices and butter one side of a bread and put the mix on the other bread and place the buttered bread on top. Now spread the mix on the bread generously. Let's toast it. In a pan, spread butter and place the bread. Toast it on both sides. Now the veg cheese sandwich is ready. For the veg mayo sandwich, add 1 tablespoon onion, 1 tablespoon grated carrot, 1 tablespoon capsicum, 1 tablespoon cabbage, salt, 1/4 teaspoon red chili flakes and half cup mayo. Mix it all together. Next add half teaspoon oregano. You can also use Italian seasoning. Now the veg mayo sandwich mix is ready. Mayo sandwich can be served in 2 ways. One, as a cold mayo sandwich by just spreading the mix on bread and serving it without toasting, or you can also spread the mix on bread and toast it in a pan and serve. Today I am toasting it as I like crispy mayo sandwiches. Now you just saw how to make 6 different types of sandwiches. I enjoyed eating all of them. Hope you guys enjoyed too. Try these at your home and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Food Channel.